Next up, confident they'll catch the judge's eye, is singing duo Rob and Ben.
I'm Ben, and I am Rob, and together we make Bert and his Bird. We're going to sing one of our own songs.
One of our own songs that was written, yeah.
We got a whole album out.
It's called Socially Awkward. Since we are socially awkward. It's kind of like easy listening, humour.
Happy time.
Happy time. It's like when you're feeling a bit down, just like had a bad day,
Stick it on.
sticks in bands, mate.
Make a smile.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good.
Hi. What's the name of your group?
Bert and his Bird.
Bert and his bird.
Yeah.
Who's Bert?
It's a random name.
It's not literal name.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so how long has Bert and his bird been together?
About 1.5 years now.
1.5 years, yeah.
Oh, great.
Great 1.5 years.
What's the song?
It's called number one burger flipper of the year.
Number one.
Burger flipper of the year.
Alright.
Sitting in my burger bar.
Burger bar.
Just looking how far I've come in life with my best friends. Yeah, he's better than all the rest, and I know I'm in some kind of massive mess. Say, number one burger flipper of the year. Number one burger flipper of the year.
I've gotta get through this.
Gotta concentrate.
Gotta get through this.
Gotta concentrate.
I'm gonna put your burger on your plate.
Today. That's...
Guys, I don't know what that was all about.
I mean, apart from the fact the song was ridiculous, you can't sing. And I don't know what you were doing. I mean, it was just...
He was flipping the burger.
ridiculous.
All right, guys, let's take a vote. Sally?
I still don't believe it was serious.
Louis?
Genuinely don't.
I don't know what to say. I can't believe it's serious.
No! No.
Thank you, guys.
Thanks a lot for your time, yeah.
So, for Bert and his bird, the X Factor dream is over. But I don't think the judges have seen all Bert's got to offer yet, so let's just bask in Bert's world a little longer.
We kind of just have a weird kind of obsession about aliens.
I just love them. It's really good breed, aren't they? Hey cook, is there alien in your garden? Hey cook, is there alien in your garden?
I think that I just wet my pants. Super duper super duper super super duper super duper duper
Super duper super duper pooper scoop.
extra
Extra factor. Alright, let's go.